back to Michael Fixing Things. Today we are going to be fixing, actually more of like replacing, the air filter on a 2016 Toyota RAV4. So first things first, you're going to want to open the glove box. And you're going to see this right here. You're going to want to take it out gently. And then you're going to want to do this. You pull the two sides in, and then it should come out like so. And then, in this little box right here, you're going to see your air filter. There's usually this one hinge right here, and you pull it out. And remember where it says up, because that's going to be used to dictate where we put the new filter. Well, after a lot of miles, it is truly dirty. It's a concerning amount. And now you're going to want to grab your new filter. And where you see this filter says up, we're going to have to do the same on this filter. And back here, it should be always remembered to put in the filter right as it said over there, up. Make sure it's somewhat centered. Should have its own little fitting place there. Then close it in. And now since our filter's put in, this mechanism right here that falls out sometimes when you're removing the glove box, you put it in on the second hole from the top, from the yellow thing, the second hole, like so. And there are these hinges here, you have to make sure it's fully aligned on these hinges. And now you just want to quickly put it over this other thing right here, and it should fall into its own place, and it closes. And now as you can see, the glove box falls down slowly. It won't hit someone's knee too hard, and when you close it, it's perfect. It holds it in place. So now you have it, how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2016 Toyota RAV4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.